Oh, it's a charged shotgun. That's it. Oh shit! What am I doing? Come on, I can hit them. Wait, we actually did it! Yay!
Wow.
Number 1. Hey guys, this is Vimal here.
And this is Sheetal.
And we are back with another awesome video on our channel. And let me tell you, this one is going to be a hell lot of fun. Yeah, because we'll be doing some amazing gameplays in this video, guys. Thing is, you already know, right? We just got our hands on the new RTX 3080 graphic card.
Which is his new true love.
Yeah, so I'm like super excited to test out some awesome games on that. Thing is, a lot of you people were like asking me, hey Vimal, can you play some specific games requested by you guys on the new RTX 3080 and show how this thing performs at 4K? And out of those specific games, I got a lot of requests for Fortnite, guys.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, we both were also like super excited to play Fortnite because Fortnite has launched support for ray tracing and also DLSS, ray tracing DLSS in Fortnite. Whoa, I can't wait to turn them on and play Fortnite on the new RTX 3080, guys. So what we'll be doing is we'll be playing Fortnite at 4K resolution, maximum possible graphics with RTX settings, set to the max possible and also DLSS turned on. And we'll see what sort of frame rates and, how the game performs on this GPU. So basically the whole idea of this video is you'll get to know how this new 3080 performs, guys, when you play with all these sort of settings turned on. So yeah, that is what we'll be doing, guys.
And even I want to play this.
Yes, you will get your chance, but first I want to play and see how this thing performs. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the game. Alright guys, so the game has finally booted up. Before we get started with the actual gameplay, what I'll do is I'll quickly head over to the graphics settings and show you what the graphics that I've set before we start the game. We'll also check out the resolution settings and all that. Okay, settings. As you can see, we are currently playing at 4K and the frame rate is around like 60 FPS. Graphics are set to epic quality, guys, the maximum possible in this game. And if you can see, DirectX version is 12. Going down, you can see ray tracing options are now available. But for this, you need to update your drivers that you have to, check before playing the game. Ray tracing on, everything set to maximum, reflections also and all that. And also DLSS over here, one thing I'd like to say, see DLSS before starting this gameplay, I actually played it in quality settings, and what happened is the frame rate was not hitting 60 FPS at 4K. I was getting around like 35-40, and that's why I've set the DLSS to performance. And in this I'm hoping that we'll be getting like 55 or 60. Well, we'll get to see that once we get started with the gameplay. Alright, let's play. Alright, we are all okay. Where should we jump? I
Don't jump in the center.
What?
See, many are jumping there.
Okay, I'm going there. Okay guys, as you can see, the frame rate is around 60 frames per second. Pretty smooth experience so far, with ray tracing also turned on. But DLSS is also on, keep that in mind. Okay, that is where we're going. I see some. I just got a pistol so far. Need something else. Come on, where can I find a gun? Oh, now that is what I'm talking about.
What?
Initial impressions, very smooth performance,
Yeah,
right?
smooth.
At 4K. See, that is the performance of 3080. The level of performance this card is offering is insane.
Even I want to play.
Ooh, I
Someone.
see someone.
I see someone. Why
Oh,
did you leave your vehicle? God, he's just running. He didn't notice you. Come on. Kill them. Oh, I see one more car there. Don't die. Don't.
Shit! No, I thought I'd kill him. Alright, now let's start the second match. Let's hope we get some kills. By the way, look at those graphics, guys. The reflections on the ocean surface. Those you'll get only when you enable, ray tracing. And DLSS is also like doing really good job. We are getting like a constant 60 FPS with slightly sometimes dropping around like 55 in graphic intensive scenes, when you throw grenades and stuff like that. But most of the time it's like maintaining really good frame rates. Okay, first what we'll do, shit, there's somebody already, there's a whole gang,
Oh!
there's a whole gang over
Go
here.
to some house. Fast.
Yeah.
Let's collect some weapons.
First I need a weapon, then we can go
this
on.
house is already broken.
No problem. At least there's a weapon over here. I've got
we
some
got something.
gun. I don't want to stick around too much because there's a whole gang
Let's take
just
them
landed over
down.
here. Okay, so where are we in the map?
I don't know.
Not bad, in a decent location.
Okay. Where did we
By
see
the way,
them?
guys, are you seeing my costume? I'm using a Borderlands costume. I got that free when I purchased, Borderlands game long back.
You look scary.
It's better than the default. Oh, what is this?
This was something.
It's a llama.
Llama crate. Right? I hear someone.
Yeah, fast, come on. Woo! Lot of rare stuff.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay, let's drink some shield potions.
Okay, save one for later. Let's.
Are you kidding me? I don't save. Okay. Come on.
Move.
That was cool, right? We always
We
find.
saw a few people, right? Where are they?
Wait. I see something shining over there. What is that?
It's a butterfly. It's
What?
a flower.
I don't know. Something.
I don't know.
Woo!
What was that?
Just a warp port, I guess. I don't know. Where
Oh.
are we right now?
I think you are in Gulliver's
Oh, there's
Travel.
one more crest. What did you say?
Gulliver's Travel. But here you're small.
Yeah.
Is that your robot talking?
Yes, that's my talking robot.
Your backpack will get us caught.
See, this is a fishing spot, and guys, see those beautiful graphics.
Yeah.
It's nighttime actually. If you have sun around
And
in the game.
Goldfish. Is that a Magikarp?
Magikarp.
Similar.
Wait, you like Magikarp?
It does only splash.
Yeah. But it turns out, it
Gyarados.
evolves into a Gyarados.
Yes. Robot, or is that a human or
Oh.
what?
Okay,
What's that?
yes, we were correct. It is. It looks
It's those small ones. It's aiming. It's aiming you.
oh shit!
Thank God. Ooh, jump. Jump.
Why?
Ooh.
Oh, that was close.
I think it's better if you leave it there. Ooh. Ah.
Shit,
Don't.
need some.
No. Run. It's aiming.
Ah!
Run. Don't leave it.
Need some space.
They're behind us. Jump.
Oh.
Jump.
Okay,
We got some bandage.
I need this. Oh,
Come on.
Okay,
Oh,
I see
him.
someone.
You
I
have
see
rifle.
Oh, shit.
You have
He-
sniper. I'm saying rifle. You have a sniper, and he looks like a pro because he's constructing and hitting. And I think there's someone else also. Come on. Oh, come on. You have a sniper, right?
I don't have. It's not a sniper. Oh, dude, let's run. He's
No.
a pro.
Oh, no. No. He's actually seeing somewhere else. He's aiming somewhere else. So I think
Come on.
you can do it. Come on. Move. Why are you not moving?
Oh, knocked down.
Come on, move. He's trying to help his friend, but no. Jump. Why are you not jumping?
Because I'm focusing right now.
Jump. Come on. Hit. Yes.
Shit, there's somebody
Someone
else also.
See?
Run.
No. Turn around and see. There's someone here. Oh, there's someone here also. Oh, sorry. Down. Why is he behind you?
Shit, there's somebody over here. Oh, there are a lot of people. Run!
No. Come on. He's dead. Keep jumping. Oh. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. Run, jump.
Oh shit, we are... Shit, no!
No, it was close.
At least I knocked down one person. We got one person.
Yes.
Man.
But I think if you would jump, you
Next time, now we're gonna try again.
they would combine.
We
Together.
got a chest. Oh, this is a charged shotgun. That's it. Anything else?
No, just jump.
Woo!
Oh, that was cool.
That was cool, right?
Again.
Let's do it again.
I want.
Wait.
Oh.
Woo! Oh, we're almost there, guys. We made it to almost like top 5. Let's see if we can hit it. I see someone. Ah! Come on! Oh shit! What am I doing? Come on, I can hit them.
Come on.
Ah! Woo! We actually did it! Yay!
Wow.
Number 1. Finally, at least in one game, we got like victory royale.
Got it.
I'm happy now. Huh. Okay guys, looks like it's time to wrap it up. Well, this was our Fortnite gameplay with RTX and DLSS turned on the RTX 3080. I really enjoyed the gameplay, guys. It was like really fun. I hope you all also like really enjoyed and got to check out how the new RTX 3080 performs in this video. So let me know next what sort of game you want me to play and I'll make a video on that. So that's pretty much it. I think it's time to wrap it up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.
Bye.